Tomorite Experiment. Today on Grow It, I've got a 1 week update on my tomato experiment. Well, it's been a week already since we started this experiment, and if you haven't checked out that video, do have a quick look. It'll give you all the information as to what I'm actually doing this year. And just to briefly summarise it, I'm testing Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food against Levington Tomorite plant food, which is the specific tomato food, just to see if there is any difference between the two. I've got them in grow bags, got them in one each this time, because the first time I did it, in the first year of my channel, it was the very first video I did, they was in the same grow bag, and possibly not very good, because there'd have been all the roots that have been mangled up and getting everything from everywhere. So yeah, we're doing them all separate this year, and hopefully we'll see some nice results. So without further ado, let's have a look and see how they're getting on. And here we are. So we've got a whole week of growth since these were planted in. We've got a couple of leaves that are a bit crispy, we'll say. But apart from that, these are doing absolutely smashing. So we've not started feeding them yet. As we mentioned on the setup video, I've not actually started feeding them yet. So it'll be once they set the first set of flowers, or the first set of fruit, once they start producing, then we'll be starting to feed them then. So I think it said it was pea-sized on the instructions, so that is what we're going to go with. We're going to go on the instructions for both of them. And we've got the Sun Gold at the back, doing slightly better, slightly bigger plants. They were slightly bigger when I put them in. And we've got the Roma at the front, which were the smaller ones, but these are also doing really nicely. And yeah, I'm really happy with these for, like I say, around a week since I put them in. And maybe 50% bigger, maybe, yeah, they definitely weren't that big when I put them. I'll have to put a comparison picture on or something just so that we can actually see the difference. But yeah, they're doing really well in this compost. And these grow bags are definitely better than the ones I had last year, and that's not really a very high bar. So, but yeah, definitely better. And they are starting to get to the point where I need to start pinching out all of these tiny suckers, just to make sure that they're putting all of their energy into the bits that we actually want. So I'll start taking them off now. Normally wait until they're definitely a little bit bigger, but yeah, keep on top of these and it will keep them nice and healthy. It's still not been wonderful weather, I should say, in the UK at the moment. It's still really cold for the time of year. It's definitely below average. These suckers are a little bit bigger than the other ones, so get rid of them. Make sure that we don't have any side shoots at all. Get them ones while I'm doing it. That one's a big one. And of course, if I wanted to, I could put these in pots and start growing. I think I did that one, didn't I? Start growing some extra tomato plants with those, but I have got enough, so I'm not going to bother. But yeah, doing really, really nice. And as for the ones in the actual bed, these are doing quite well as well. I don't know if I can't remember if I showed them in the last video when I put them in, but these Shirley F1 plants, I got them from the garden centre and they'd been a bit cold, so you can see on the leaves that a bit spotty on these older leaves, not doing as well. But the ones above, much nicer. You can see it on that one as well, how much darker green they are compared to the older leaves. Quite pale look. I mean, they look a bit paler on the camera, but they're not as green, much lighter green. They've got those yellow spots in, and that is just because they've been too cold. But the new growth on them is absolutely smashing. And then we've got the what were they? Let's go and have a look. What's this one? Lucinda F1 Baby Plum, and let's have a look what that one is. I can't even remember. Get off. Oh, that's the same. Yeah, so 2 plum tomatoes. I've not got any San Marzano tomatoes. I normally really like growing them, but I've not got any of them in at the moment, so I've got some growing, so I'll be getting them in the polytunnel by the looks of it. What I normally do is stick a bit of slow release food in. This has seen better days because it's been over winter and everything, so the blue bits have disintegrated, but I put a scoop of that in. It comes with a scoop. Put a scoop of that in with the underneath the roots, so I dug the hole, throw a scoop of that in, and yeah, they've picked up really well. And these ones starting to get some flowers coming on them, so that's even better.
So hopefully we'll start getting some fruit setting on these soon, and then we can start giving these a bit of the tomato food as well, so they'll be really starting to take off. And yeah, apart from that, I've got some pepper plants in. The slugs have been having a go at these, so I need to do something about that. But these are starting to get some flowers turning up on them as well, so really pleased with them. Yeah, hopefully we get some nice peppers this year. Last year's weren't great. Yeah, didn't turn out very good, but I keep getting seedlings coming up from when the rats had them the year before. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. But yeah, tomatoes doing smashing. Got loads of strawberry plants here. That's for a video for this week, so I'll be doing that maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after. When we're going to upload that, probably Saturday or something. But apart from that, not much to talk about at the moment. We've got small tomato plants coming along very nicely. And just check, have a look at all this new stuff at the top, just to see if there is anything, any signs of flowers yet. Doesn't look like it. Check them ones. Yeah, no signs of flowers yet, but these ones are starting, so I can't imagine that it's going to be very long because they're not far behind those. So we'll see what happens with those and do another update next week and see how they're getting on.
And that's all we've got time for today. Those tomato plants are looking really nice. I'm really happy with how they're coming along. So hopefully in another week or so, we'll start seeing some flowers on those and maybe start seeing some fruit developing. And then at that point, we can start feeding them the plant foods and really start seeing if there's any actual difference between the two. I mean, maybe we won't see any difference at first. It'll take a little while for them to actually start really growing and making use of those fertilizers. So yeah, we'll see if there's any difference after maybe a month or so. But I'll keep doing the updates, keep seeing how they're getting on, because like I say, you've seen them there, they are growing really well in there, and even just after that 1 week, they have started showing some really positive signals of growth. So hopefully we'll get loads and loads of tomatoes growing on those. And we've got those two varieties. We've got the gold ones, the sun gold, and we've got those Roman little maybe baby plum tomatoes as well. So yeah, hopefully get some really nice fruit from those. If you do like my channel, if you like my videos, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because I've got absolutely loads of tomato stuff on there. So if it is tomatoes that you're looking for, then do check out all my other videos. I've got hanging baskets and I forgot what else. Well, I've got loads of stuff. How to pollinate them, growing them from seed, growing them from slices. Absolutely loads of stuff. So do check those out. Let me know in the comments what you think is going to be the winner out of these two fertilizers, because it'd be interesting to see what you think. I can't remember what it was last time. I think the Miracle Grow one. But if you think that's going to be the same again, it's a more balanced fertilizer. So a bit more of everything, but there's more nitrogen in it, so we're going to see a lot more green growth and stuff. So maybe the plants will be diverting resources into leaves and stuff, which we don't want. So we'll see. We'll see if the higher phosphorus or potassium in the tomato food does make more fruit and more flowers. It should do, but we'll see. So yeah, hopefully in another week's time we'll see some more progress in those, and I'll see you next time.